Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, my computer is finally in. Finally get to have a better PC to edit all of these videos in. Oh, I'm so excited to get going. So just to let everybody know, this is not going to be an educational video at all. So, but if you have any tips or tricks, or if I did anything wrong, you know, write it in the comments. I'm always open to learn. First thing we do is we get to open up our motherboard. Yeah! It is a fairly budget board. Everything we're doing is AMD. And oh yeah, the first thing we have to do with this is actually change the cooling mount, because I got an aftermarket cooler which requires a different mounting system. We just got our Phillips screwdriver. Now the aftermarket cooler came with it came with a back panel to mount it. So I'm not sure if we need to use that or whether or not the built-in one in this board is enough. These are the AMD ones. And here's that back plate that I was talking about. So I'm not actually sure if we have to install these. Maybe we do. Oh. It fell right off. Okay, cool. And then this just goes on like that. Is that it? So we got that. And then what? All right, we have to mount these to the thing. Okay, well, if that's sitting there, then I think we're safe to get our CPU. So this is the 3600, I believe. Yeah, the Ryzen 5 3600. No X, just the regular one. I don't know where my regular knife is, but I got another knife. Oh man, that's a really thick sticker. My word. Okay. Ooh. There it is. There it is. Oh my gosh, the glare. The glare is real. There. Man. Oh man, I haven't built a PC in like 6-7 years. That's how long I've had my last one. So we got the stock cooler, which I guess I'm just gonna like sell online or something. I don't know, people say they're decent, but I wanted to have a bigger one. Bigger, better. Strap a bunch of fans to it. Oh man. Oh my gosh, they're so heavy. Man, this thing is hefty. Like, oh my word. Okay. We got a little arrow. An arrow. I'm upside down. Okay, arrow to arrow. Right, we gotta flip it up. Drop it in. And close. There we go. Okay. Actually, before I do the fan, we're gonna do strange order. We're gonna do the RAM. So for RAM, I only have 16 gigs, 2 8-gig sticks of Crucial's Ballistics, 3200 hertz or gigahertz. I forget which one. Yeah, just nice and black. It was pretty cheap. Hey, buddy, come on. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Hi, how's it going? Okay. Clip that, unclip that. want to make sure that we run it in dual band mode. Okay, this thing is tripping me out. I'm just gonna remove it for a second. Ah, there we go. Man, you gotta push down harder than I thought. Okay, and channel 3, slot 3. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now we can get our cooler. This guy. Oh, what is this? What is it? It's the Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition. Love the look of it. It's so much better than having like the tacky chrome crap. Okay, the only issue is that I'm actually replacing this fan with some aftermarket ones just because I have enough to do it that. And it also makes it a lot easier for mounting, so I gotta figure out. There you go, just like that. Okay, and orientation requires it to go this way. Oh, we need to put these guys on it. There we go, that way. Scoot that over. Put that out of the way, put this down. There we go, that's one. Okay, there we go. Those are sitting in there. Then we take these guys. Just snug. Okay. And this is just for test fit. I'm not doing it yet. Okay. Get our included thermal compound, which I've never actually applied thermal compound before, but I've watched enough videos that I know how to do it, which the real answer is there is no right way and is no wrong way. So I'm going to do one bigger blob in the middle and then 4 smaller blobs around the edge, which are probably going to bleed out. I'm probably going to have to clean it. And remove the sticker. Remove the sticker. Don't do what everybody says I should do. Okay. There we go. Moment of truth. I don't know. Seems pretty good to me. We got a little bit of spillage out the side, a little bit of ooze. But that's okay, because nothing's falling over the edge. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. We also have M.2 SSD drive. Have never had one of these before. Had a regular SSD on my other PC. But this is gonna be nice. I need a smaller screwdriver. Just insert it like that. Oh, I'm so nervous about everything. There we go. Okay. Oh, I think that's it. I think that is it for, look at that. We got our cooler, we got our RAM, and we got our nice shielded M.2. Very, very nice. Okay. But I'm gonna put this aside. Okay. So this is the NZXT, was it H something or other? I don't know. This is $100 on Amazon. absolute bargain. I see this case all over the place, and when I bought it, I didn't realize how popular it was until after I bought it, and then I looked up a bunch of computers, and everybody was using this. Everyone was either using this exact case or like a model or two above it. And I don't know, I see why, because it just looks so clean. It looks amazingly clean. But one thing that we have to do is we're going to install as many fans as we can. So we're going to take off the 2 stock ones and replace them with the ones from here. These are the up here package. So there's 6 fans in there, plus a control module for all RGB control. It's going to be dope. Okay. So what do we got first? We got 4 screws there. Okay, great. Let's get our fans out. My table has been cluttered very fast. Actually, we don't need. Okay. That are Chinese instructions. All that stuff. All those stuff. Oof. It's a big honking thing. More screws. And well then, I mean, oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so we also have to figure out wire management. So this one, get faced up. One. Woo! Okie dokie. Got a bunch of stuff to do off. Oh. Moment of truth for the most part. Kinda. Oh. Putting the CPU in. Oh, yes, finally. Find the mounting pin. Oh, I guess it'd be in these ones. Oh. All right. Oh, it looks so beautiful already. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Oh, and all these fans are gonna line up very, very nicely. Okay, now the big question is, do I install those fans? I think the answer is yes. If I have to take one off again, I guess that's just gonna be what I have to do. You have to make sure that your fans are all doing what you want them to do and are facing the right direction, as well as always being mindful of how you're going to be routing your cable. So I need to put this guy up in here like that. There, didn't snap on. Doesn't exactly snap on the way that I was kind of expecting it to. It actually is quite the squeeze. Oh, but there it is. Oh, she's gorgeous. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look at that. Well, from here it's mostly cable management. So we're gonna hit the fast forward button right about now. That's cool. It's pretty neat. Those are for SSD drives, but I'm not using an SSD or this type of SSD. So I don't need that. So I think I can go kind of like there. Or maybe like that. Okay, so I have this sort of organized to the best of my ability. So I think it's time to get our power supply. This is the RM55X or 550X. Might be a little bit smaller than what I normally would have gotten, but since budget was quite, I decided that this was good enough. This is fully modular, which is pretty nice, so there's no cables. So all I gotta do is just slide her in there. There we go, let's screw her on. This is so nice. They come in, you get your own little custom bag for all your cables and stuff. Like, isn't that cool? I didn't get this. Last power supply I bought was on sale. It was an Antec, like green or something. And, I don't know, I had nothing but trouble. It was rated for like 750 watts because I was replacing one of my computer that was a stock pre-build and obviously is complete garbage. So I had to replace that, of course, because my computer kept on crashing. Now let's see. We're gonna need one for the graphics card eventually. Graphics card is kind of a touchy subject. More zip ties, because I didn't buy a new one for this PC because they're extremely expensive right now. So I did not want to have to deal with that. So instead, I'm gonna buy one off my friend because he has one available. So very, very glad about that. Very thankful. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be sticking the HDD drive from my current PC because there's 2 of them in there. So I'm gonna take the better one, swap it out. I already transferred everything, but I'm recording this off of my computer right now, unfortunately, so I won't be able to do any of that on camera, or else there would just be no audio, because audio kind of sucks. Okay. See, what do I need? What do I have? I need a GPU. That's for one thing. I can boot. I can boot. I can go straight to Windows. Okay. Everything's in. It's all looking good. Moment of truth. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. Oh, look at all those LEDs going. So, thank you guys for watching. Always appreciate you guys' support. I'm so happy about this. I am so happy about this. But, unfortunately, I can't show the rest of it because I gotta take a couple pieces out of my old computer, which is what I'm using to record this off of. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this video didn't end up too long. I'll be editing it on this beast, so I'll probably do a lot more editing than I normally do for my normal videos. Oh, I just can't believe it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.